Hey, this is Muiz, and today we are very excited to announce a cool new feature called workflows. So we combine few of our pre-existing templates to create workflow that will give you all tools you need to whip out long-form content in no time. So to get started, you can just go to documents, you can create a new document, and you can open up AI tools, and this is the first workflow. So the first workflow in our list is Storybrand. If you haven't heard of it, Storybrand is a framework that is created by Donald Miller that help businesses tell their brand story in a clear and compelling way. And to make it even easier, now we have it in Yaara. So the first step in our workflow is our character. So let's just type in our business description first and hit generate. So the character represent your target audience then and help you tailor your brand story to their needs and want. So let's just wait. And this is our character. Kara is a busy office worker who is always feeling overwhelmed after a long day at the work. She wants to slow down and unwind in a luxurious atmosphere but limited options for high-end restaurant. Now, okay, it also give us the plot and this looks interesting. So let's just hit next and it brought it up in our document. And the second step in our workflow is has a problem. So it already fill out our previous information and have to just hit generate, and if you ever want to change this we can just change it here. So it will help us identify our audience problems, and this is a crucial step because it will allow you to show your audience that your brand can solve their specific problem and like make their lives better. So it will give us the villain, the external problems they are having. So the corporate greed, rising prices, and decreasing quality of dining experiences around Kara's area. Because this is our character as of now. We can just hit next for this, and it already pops it up here. And the next step is meet a guide. So this guide offers a clear plan for a clear plan of how our brand is going to solve the problem and provide value to the audience. So let's just wait. And first, we are going to empathize with the problem. At fine dining and restaurant, we understand that life can be challenging and that finding the chance to treat yourself is not always easy. We provide the perfect chance to enjoy an unforgettable dining experience and indulge in some much needed relaxation. And we are going to also it also gives us the authoritative way because we have to be empathize with the audience and also show them that we can do this, right? So let's just hit next, and now we are going to give them a plan. Wow. And just hit generate. So this is going to tell that how your brand can like solve the problem basically. And this is their plan. Our restaurant online to learn about the experiences we offer, book a reservation, and enjoy a delicious three-course meal prepared by the world-class chef. Wine and dine away your worries. Okay, okay, okay. We can just hit next now. So it is here. And now call to action is very important part of this. Let's just hit generate. And this is an invitation for the audience to, take the next step and engage with your brand. So we have a direct call to action. Book your reservation now for a luxurious experience that will make you feel like royalty. Now we have a transitional call to action. Join our mailing list and receive exclusive offer and discounts. Follow us on social media to get all the latest updates and send us your feedback. Okay, now we have 6.1 step. Help them avoid the failure. Okay, hit generate. So this could highlight that risk of not choosing your brand and by offering the guarantee of success. So unsatisfying dining experience. Remember, we are talking about failure. So unsatisfying dining experience with low quality food, limited options of high end restaurant in our area, and feeling overwhelmed as they rarely gets to find the rich from the everyday life and responsibilities. Let's just hit next. And in a success, now we are going to show them choosing our brand, how they will be successful. So this could be like showcasing a positive outcomes of choosing your brand, or by highlighting like testimonials from a satisfied customer. So when choosing your brand, you can have relaxing atmosphere that will takes away all your worries. Top-notch ingredients for flavors and unique taste combinations. Okay, okay, I like it. Now, this last step, how we are going to transform the character by choosing our brand. How we are going to change their lives. The final answer. Let's just hit generate. So this is the end result, the audience or the journey in the audience's journey with your brand, and should showcase the positive results. So let's see. So before using our product or service, Kara was feeling overwhelmed and unable to treat herself after a tiring day at work. Okay, let's just hit next. So each of this step like has the next button which will just pops it out in the document, and each of this has generate button, also have regenerate button if you want to. And do so this makes like very easy to move throughout the workflow. And you can also hit restart, which will restart the whole process. Now you can see with the Yara, creating a story brand, it's that simple. So try it yourself, and I have also attached few links to learn more about Storybrand. So try it out today and see the difference it can make into your business.